Why this business works, even if you've tried everything else. You've tried affiliate links, you dabbled in side hustles, you've posted content and got no results. You start to believe maybe success is for everyone but you. I know that feeling. I had it when I was stuck in debt, couldn't retire, and was chasing opportunities that never worked. Then I found something different, a business model that didn't rely on chasing people, a blueprint with step by step automation worldwide and 24/7, a path where you own the system, no fees, no bosses, no cut from someone else. And that changed everything for me. I now work 2 to 3 hours a day, own a digital product with resale rights, make 100% profit, no sharing commissions ever, help others get unstuck from the grind. So, if you're someone who's done all the right things, followed all the guru advice, but still feels stuck, it's not you. It's the model. What I do now is simple. It's scalable and built for everyday people like you and me, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond, or with zero tech background or experience, no following, no problem. Either as long as you're taught attraction marketing, which does all the work for you. Don't waste another year guessing. I'm here and I will walk you through it. Visit hollypringdailypay.com or comment below and I'll send you the steps I follow. Want a business that fits into your life, not the other way around? This is it. hollypringdailypay.com. Any questions? Shoot me an email.